Oye, mi gente, Louis the Bullman, Wepa. I'm actually in Studio Square, Astoria, New York. Guys, this is where the creativity happens. This is where the heat happens. We're in the lab. But I'm also here to do my job as well, which is make sure the air conditioning is working. Yes, because it has a three-way valve, and all it does is switches. The three-way valve is outside by the condenser. So as you guys can see, the AC is working, but we had to do preventive maintenance. What is preventive maintenance? Cleaning the coils, startups, making sure everything's working. In this case, he called us because the coils were filthy, they were dirty, and of course, you know what? He wants to get ready for what? The summertime, guys. So Memorial Day is around the corner. Summertime is around the corner. So you do your due diligence. You know what to do, guys. You call Louis the Boiler Man. Where? 516-377-5200 New York border. Wepa!